Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing an important aspect of real estate transactions: closing costs. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, understanding closing costs is crucial. It helps you know what to expect financially and prevents you from falling into common pitfalls. Let's get started. Closing costs are the expenses that buyers and sellers pay at the closing of a real estate transaction. It's important to be aware of these costs as they can significantly impact your overall budget and financial planning. Let's break down the closing costs for both buyers and sellers. For buyers, closing costs usually include several components. Firstly, there are lender fees, such as loan origination fees, points, and credit report charges. These fees are associated with obtaining a mortgage. Secondly, there are various third-party fees, such as appraisal fees, home inspection fees, and title search fees. Additionally, buyers are also responsible for paying for title insurance, homeowners insurance, and property taxes. Now let's shift our focus to the closing costs that sellers typically encounter. One major expense for sellers is the real estate commission, which is usually a percentage of the sale price. Sellers may also be responsible for paying their share of the property taxes and any outstanding utilities or homeowner association fees. Additionally, there could be costs associated with obtaining a payoff statement from the mortgage lender. Now that we've covered the basics of closing costs, let's talk about some common pitfalls that clients often fall into and how to avoid them. Pitfall number 1 is not budgeting for closing costs. It's important to account for these expenses in your overall budget to avoid any last-minute financial surprises. Make sure to research and estimate the potential closing costs specific to your transaction. Another pitfall is not carefully reviewing the closing disclosure. This document provides a breakdown of all the costs involved in the transaction. Take the time to review it thoroughly and seek clarification on any unclear or unexpected charges. Lastly, many clients fail to shop around for service providers and end up paying higher fees. It's essential to compare and negotiate fees for services like title insurance, appraisals, and inspections. This can potentially save you a significant amount of money. Closing costs are a vital aspect of any real estate transaction. By understanding the expenses involved and avoiding common pitfalls, you can navigate the process more confidently and make informed financial decisions. Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to subscribe for more real estate insights. Until next time, happy buying and selling. Heather Lake, eXp Realty, helping you close comfortably.